In this video, I will show you how to add decimal separator in your numbers in Microsoft Excel like this. So guys, if you type any number and you need this decimal separator so select it and just click on this comma style format with a thousands separator like this. You want to change this rule, like you want to change comma to full stop. So file and options, and in advanced you will see the use system separator. So in decimal separator make comma, and thousands separator make full stop. Now click on OK. So we can see now we changed this rule. So this way you can add 1000 separator in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.